Yes, Alpha Day Wolf, I truly updated an iOS device. No one needs to call an ambulance, nor was that tweet AI generated. Yes, the Tech Boy 144, I committed a crime. Not actually, because this isn't a real crime. For context, I recall covering that after 13 years of no iOS updates, a hacker was able to get iOS 6 running on an iPod Touch 3rd generation, which I covered in this video right here. Furthermore, hackers have gotten iOS 6 and 7 to run on the iPad 1, despite also only supporting up to iOS 5.1.1. Just stolen the spotlight from the iPod Touch 3rd generation. I'm now here to show you all that. As you can tell by going into Settings, General, and About, runs iOS 6.1.6, by its maximum intended iOS version being iOS 5.1.1. How well does it function? Let's get into it. Firstly, why would someone attempt to run iOS 6 on this iPod? The logic is that the iPod Touch 3rd generation lost support too early because the iPhone 3GS with the same processor and amount of RAM received iOS 6, and that the only reason this iPod and the first generation iPad lost iOS support is due to these devices lacking cameras compared to the rest of the supported iOS devices. So how does this iPod perform on iOS 6? The answer is that this iPod is notably slower. Like, as you can tell, like, scrolling through the menu is noticeably slower. And additionally, despite me having the settings on to make lock sounds and keyboard sounds, this does not make lock sounds. Nor does it sound when I slide to unlock. And furthermore, if I go to type, does not make any sound. But the sound does actually work though for other areas, like if I go to alarm, if I set the ringtone, as you can tell, it works just fine. And to be fair, I don't know if that stuff worked on this iPod before I updated it to iOS 6. So it may just be this iPod, but I just thought I'd let you know that. The lock sound works for you on your iPod 3rd generation running iOS 6. Please comment that down below. However, this is real iOS 6 running on this iPod, as an email I received from Apple regarding signing in for my Apple ID identifies this iPod as an iPod Touch 3rd generation running iOS 6.1.6. Additionally, this is fully untethered unlike iOS 7 on the iPod Touch 4th generation. I know that a lot of you are pondering and probably have comments at this point about whether you can install newer versions of apps on this iPod intended for iOS 6 and newer and not 5. The answer is that you should be able to install them, however they may not be fully optimized. Unfortunately, I was unable to test installing iOS 6 apps on this iPod due to the repository for installing AppSync being down as of yesterday. I also likely have several comments at this point asking for a tutorial on how to install iOS 6 on this iPod. Although you can now simply use Legacy iOS Kit, I'll have a full tutorial coming this Friday. So do I advise installing iOS 6 on your iPod Touch 3rd generation? I do not, because iOS 6 is slower and not more usable than even iPhone OS 3 these days. As always, thank you all for viewing this video. I'm the iTunes fanboy, and peace out.